2 Corinthians chapter 4 from verse 7 to verse 15. Even though we are like some pot we make out a clear and we easy to mash up, God make we understand the good news about Jesus and give it the power to teach people that are like one treasure. Him do it that way there so that everybody would know say no, we have the power, but that him really have all of the power. Every which way we turn, trouble liquid, but no matter where we face, it not go tap we. Even when we don't know what to do, we not give up. Enough time people make us suffer, but God never left we. Him ever there with we. Enough time we get licked down, but we not dead. Everywhere me go, they make me suffer, and then try to kill me same like how they kill Jesus. But me will go and suffer and preach the good news so that people will look upon me and know say Jesus alive and that him a keep we alive. So even though me alive now, we know say anytime, any day, we can dead because we preach about Jesus. But we will go and preach and suffer till then kill we so that people will look upon our body and know say Jesus alive and that him a keep we alive. We know say one day they might kill we because we preach about Jesus. But we will go and teach because only we get a chance to know Jesus and live forever. In a God word, somebody writes say, me trust in a God, so me preach him message. And same like how I trust in a God, we trust in a God too. So we will go and preach too. Because we know say, same like how God make we Lord Jesus come back alive, Him will make we come back alive too, because we believe in a Jesus. And God will take we up with uno and bring we which part in there. All the suffer we are suffer are for uno. We are do it for help uno, so that more and more people will believe in a Jesus and get saved. And that will cause enough more people to start pray and give God thanks and big him up for all we do. A God what this. Thank God.